The last signal. In the year 2157, Earth was a memory. Humanity had fled its dying planet a century ago, scattering across the stars in search of new homes. Among the many ships that left Earth, the Nova Ark was one of the last. It carried 1,000 passengers, each in cryosleep, destined for a distant planet known only as Terra 2. Captain Elena Vargas was the only one awake on the ship, her task to oversee the journey and ensure the safety of the crew. She had trained for this mission her entire life, prepared to spend the 50 years alone while her crew slept. The ship's AI, Iris, was her only companion. Years passed in the vast emptiness of space. Elena's routine was precise monitoring systems, making small course adjustments, and engaging in conversations with Iris to keep her mind sharp. Everything was on track until one day, something unexpected happened. A faint signal appeared on the ship's radar. It was old, almost too weak to detect, but unmistakably artificial. Elena's heart raced. Could it be from another ship, or perhaps from Earth? She immediately began analyzing the signal, trying to decipher its origin. Iris confirmed that the signal was coming from a nearby star system, one that was not on their charted course. It was a risk to divert the ship, but Elena's curiosity and a sense of duty drove her to investigate. What if someone needed help? What if it was a remnant of the lost Earth? As the Nova Ark approached the star system, the signal grew stronger. It was a repeating pattern, a distress call from a long-forgotten era. When they finally reached the source, Elena was astonished. It was an old Earth satellite, a relic from the early days of space exploration, still broadcasting its last message. The satellite was battered and corroded, its solar panels long dead, but the signal continued. Elena instructed Iris to capture the data. The message was simple. To those who find this, we were here. We searched the stars, hoping for a future. Elena felt a deep connection to those words. They were a reminder of humanity's resilience, of the countless souls who had ventured into the unknown, searching for a new beginning. She knew she had to preserve this piece of history. Before leaving, Elena attached a small data beacon to the satellite, ensuring that its message would continue to broadcast for centuries to come. It was her way of honoring the past while moving forward. As the Nova Ark resumed its course to Terra 2, Elena looked out into the vastness of space, filled with a renewed sense of purpose. They were the continuation of a journey that had begun long before her time, a journey that would carry on as long as there were stars to reach. Life lesson. In the vast journey of life, it's important to remember our roots and honor the past, even as we look forward to the future. The efforts of those who came before us shape our present, and by acknowledging their struggles and achievements, we carry their legacy forward, ensuring that their stories are never forgotten. English lesson. Cryosleep. A state of suspended animation where the body is kept at very low temperatures to slow down bodily functions, often used in science fiction for long space journeys. Artificial. Something made by humans, not natural. Often referring to man-made objects or technology. Divert. To change the direction or course of something. Beacon. A signal or light used to guide or warn, often used in navigation.